Hi, I am Thasveer M Salim, CEO Skillmap India. It has been our pleasure to organize this initiative, Rebuild India. We shall overcome. Putting up our bid towards strengthening the nation and guiding the youngsters always give us extreme pleasure. After all, the growth of the nation depends on its young force. Their novel thoughts, fresh ideas and innovative explorations are what can change the future of the nation. Here, I would like to discuss a less known but essential aspect that can be instrumental in fructifying the development prospects of organization. Agile leadership. Agility is the ability to adapt and respond to change. Agile organizations view change as an opportunity and not a threat. I believe that the topic matches with this scenario, what we are encountering since the beginning of 2020. The COVID-19 pandemic has once again reminded the world the need of adaptability or to adapt to quickly changing conditions. Agile leaders are always open to out-of-the-box thoughts and concepts. This keeps them ahead of their counterparts who would be relying on traditional and time-tested concepts. You cannot expect history to provide you with examples for every situation and help you either for resolving issues or decision making. Agile leadership will collaborate with teams, brainstorm the way ahead and reach upon a decision that will be conducive for the exceptional growth of the organization. Having said that, nothing can be foolproof. Understanding this fact, the new gen agile leaders calculate varying aspects of a condition and reach upon a risky decision. I would like to add here about the team at Skillmap India. We endeavor to render path-breaking and result-oriented ideas to our clients. Our professional team will pursue an all-encompassing study of the requirements before submitting the final report to our clients. Agility in decision-making, progressing client-centric activities and accomplishing milestones have been our identity since inception. We could be considered an ideal example of agile leadership, which is also the reason for me to choose this topic. Tough times call for mutual support, cooperation and coordination. An act done together will augment our possibilities to the optimum. Let's work collectively towards a brighter future and hope for the best. Thank you. We shall overcome.